Hello everyone and welcome back. The next important part in the simulation process is the actual solver. And a crucial part of this is the combustion model, or how the sim is going to react to the data that we're going to give it. So for example, with the new sparse solver, which we are going to use throughout the entire workshop, has a new combustion model. And basically what the way it works is we have two inputs, a density and a flame. Okay, we can call it anything. We can call the name whatever we want it to be, as long as we put it in a specific field called burn. And what will happen is this flame is going to go into the combustion model, and it takes into account the density, and it's going to generate divergence and temperature. Temperature is how hot the smoke is. It's not the same thing as the flame. Okay, you can have a fire, but then it's a small amount of fire, but then the heat or the temperature around that fire is much higher, and it spreads and it diffuses very, very quickly. So the temperature area is not the same as the flame. And the way the smoke expands or grow is by respecting the divergence field. So the combustion model is going to generate divergence, and is going to change the temperature field. The divergence will cause the smoke to expand. Okay, the temperature and the buoyancy is what will make the smoke rise. So hot smoke will go up, and it will also expand, and all of this will go into the smoke sim and get affected and repeated again. Okay, so we plug in two inputs. There's a combustion model that will generate other fields, and then all of this data goes inside the smoke. We can also inject anything else we want from external sources, like a velocity field or a pump force or anything. And again, if you're new to all of this, everything is going to be explained in depth once we start building things in Houdini. So this is the new combustion model. I like the way it behaves. I like the way it moves, and I don't think we have to customize it like we did in the mastering pyro effects in the old approach. I think the new one that Side Effects has is very, very solid, and I think we can get a lot of things done with it. It does not mean, though, that we're not going to customize it. We're going to be injecting things to it. We're going to be slightly changing and modifying it, but it's not as extreme as we did before. In the previous workshop, the combustion model was not great, and we had to build our own to satisfy the need that, for what we wanted to achieve. But we don't have to go through that again. Cool, guys. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.